You can now explore the entire planet from the comfort of your chair with Google Earth. You can sit back and enjoy the dazzling visuals in the latest Hollywood blockbuster films, and you can immerse yourself in 3D environments, whether it be for leisure in Second Life or for training purposes. There's massive demand for 3D content already, and that is growing. But the problem is creating this content is really hard. It's time-consuming. It's the domain of experts. If I said to any of you, can you take a short video or a photo of your house, you'd probably say yes. But if asked to create a 3D model of your house to place in Google Earth, none of us would even know where to begin. So what's the answer? Well, it's VideoTrace. VideoTrace is a system for rapidly and easily creating 3D models of objects from video. You simply trace over frames of the video and extract a 3D model. This demo shows how quick and powerful the process really is. See how VideoTrace translates simple tracing interactions on the screen into components of the 3D model? It's this combination of automated and manual modelling that's central to this innovation, and it makes it so powerful, yet you still retain full control over the process. And because it's drawing upon your knowledge of that object, you can even model parts of the scene not visible, such as the roof and portions of the back wall. So imagine the time saved by using this technology if you're an architect and wanting to model buildings surrounding a site that you're working on, or if you're designing content for a game and you need to model a city in there. Imagine the time saved. So there are a lot of professional applications for VideoTrace, as I've noted: games, architecture, simulation. But what's really exciting about VideoTrace is suddenly it enables people to create 3D content who would never have considered it before. So the exciting part's the as yet unforeseen opportunities presented by this technology. The current digital content creation market is set to grow to $5 billion in the next 3 years, but that's only the tip of the iceberg. Now, VideoTrace was conceived at a place called the Australian Centre for Visual Technologies, which is directed by our founder and CTO, Dr. Anton van den Hengel. Our collaboration, which is ongoing with the ACVT, has resulted in 3 patent filings to date and a working product that's now in the hands of users around the world. Our beta program now has over 1,200 users, and they represent a wide range of industries and applications. And through our active user feedback forum, we're gathering information about how they want to use those models and what they want to see of VideoTrace in the future. We also know a lot about these users, and as you can see, the vast majority of them are quite inexperienced. Interestingly too, there's a lot of enthusiasts, the students and hobbyists, in addition to the professional users. So this represents this vast body of users who really want to create 3D content for a range of purposes that you and I can only guess at, but they haven't been able to up till now because they haven't had the skills or the tools. VideoTrace makes it possible for them to participate in creating 3D content by making the process fast and easy to learn and to use. And it's a really flexible system. You can just use ordinary photos and video. So imagine being able to access all that YouTube content online to create videos, made even easier by the expansion of broadband and the increase of speed. Think of applications too, like creating 3D models of houses to place on domain.com.au, so you can actually visit a property before you go there physically. Our revenue model is essentially the freemium model. We'll have a free or very cheap version that anyone can use, and that will publish each model created to an online content database that we own. Those that want to retain the privacy over their model will upgrade to the paid professional version. And over time, we'll build up this 3D content library that we can seek to monetize later through revenue sharing with the content creators. In the short term, there are some real opportunities for VideoTrace to add value in professional applications, and we're on the verge of landing a lead customer who wants to use it in a railway surveying application. They believe over the life of this project, they can save £5 billion. We're also talking to 2 defence customers who are very close to signing on to use VideoTrace. And it's these revenue opportunities and other similar niche opportunities that will validate the market for this product, provide us with revenue streams to continue ongoing development, and take us to where we really want to be. VideoTrace makes 3D content creation accessible to everyone, and Punchcard will play a leading role in the user-generated 3D content generation revolution. Thank you.